Right. What do we see there in the diagram there? We see light ray there um, being reflected back into a medium. So that is total internal reflection, what we see there. So it says here, the phenomenon of total internal reflection of light is used in many optical instruments. Total internal reflection is used in the modern technology. Nowadays, data is transmitted very fast and reliable using a beam of light. 7.1.1 says define total internal reflection. Total internal reflection, we define that as when the angle of incidence, when the angle of incidence is greater than the critical angle, when the angle of incidence is greater than the critical angle, and the light ray is reflected, and the light ray is reflected back into the original medium, that is total internal reflection there. 7.1.2, 2 marks if you got that. 7.1.2 says name two conditions under which total internal reflection takes place there. The two conditions for total internal reflection is that the light ray, number one, must be coming from a more dense medium, more dense medium, and be going to a less dense medium. It must be coming from a more dense medium and going towards a less dense medium. Number two, which is in the definition, the angle of incidence must be surpassed. The angle of the critical angle actually must be surpassed. The angle of incidence must be greater than the critical angle. Must be greater than the critical angle. That's condition number two. And then 7.1.3 says give two uses of total internal reflection. Total internal reflection is useful in endoscope, fiber optics there, as well as periscope, but 2 for now. And how did you do out of 6 there?